Hello Neves, this is Neve from Neve's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do this full glam makeup look, and I have done this blue color eye with some glitters, and I'm going to show you how you can do two eye looks, just changing a little bit and you can get two eye looks. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's get started. So I'm going to start with this eye primer which I recently got in my boxy charm. You must have seen. If not, please follow me on Instagram. I put all the boxy charms, like every month I put a photo there and all the details of the products there. So firstly I'm going to use this Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this color which you see here, and I'm going to apply this color all over my eyelid, on my eyes actually, so that my primer sets and it's easier to go ahead with the colors which are coming soon. And I'm gonna use this tape, so I'm gonna, as you see, I applied tape so that I get like a sharp edge, and I'm going to apply this color from Modern Renaissance and Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm applying as a transition color. I apply transition color little bit above, as I have hooded and droopy eyes, and this is my favorite transition color, and if I don't know which one to put, I just go ahead and put this one. It's like a dusky rose color, but I'll put it on the screen. So I'm using this Urban Decay 24x7 eye pencil in color black, and I'm just going to make like a thick eyeliner. I'm just going to take it halfway, just like a thick eyeliner, as you see over here, because then I'm going to put the next color so that the color is more prominent and goes well. So I'm just taking a smudger and smudging the edges basically here, and I'm adjusting my tape here. So I'm just trying to smudge the intensity of this eye pencil, and mostly on the edges. So again I'm using the Lorac Pro and using this blue color, and the name of the color I'll put it on the screen, don't worry. And I'm just going to apply this color all over my lid. So that's why I applied the black eyeliner, the black eye pencil, so that the blue really looks intensified. And so yeah, I'm just applying that. So now I'm using this Studio Makeup On The Go palette, and this came in my boxy charm long time back, I don't remember when. And I'm going to use this color, and this is I think like a grayish color. I'm very bad guys with explaining the color, sometimes it goes really off, so sorry about that. So I'm just applying it on my crease, so that I'm just trying to darkening. As I have hooded or droopy eyes, you will see some kind of a gap, but if you have like a normal set eyes, don't worry, you will not get that gap because of my skin. It happens, whatever I do it will happen, so you can just go ahead, you will not have that problem. And now just blending everything, just blend. So I'm gonna use this color in the middle, and I am just going to apply under my brow, just to not highlighting but just giving some color over there. So I'm just going to remove the tape right now, and I'm going to clean up if there was any fallout. There was not too many fallout, but yeah, it's definitely important to clean up, so if there is anything which you don't see. And now I'm going to apply this MAC Strobe Light primer, and it's a really nice primer. It's not matte, but it gives you a light glow, and the color was pink. So today I'm going to color correct little bit. I'm going to use my Becca orange corrector. So whenever I feel like correcting, I just use this one, and I'm just correcting using like a big dome, like a big, not dome, big pencil brush, so that I can get into the corners. So I'm using this pencil and just correcting a little bit, not too much. So now I'm going to apply this Lancome Renergie Lift Makeup Foundation, and this foundation has satin finish, and going to use this Morphe Beauty sponge and going to apply this foundation all over my face. For my concealer, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution concealer. You have seen me putting this couple of times, and I normally take this on back of my hand and apply a little. I don't apply too much, just to highlight a little bit and cover whatever darkness or but I don't do too much. So I'm going to set my concealer by using this Hourglass translucent powder. I'm going to apply this only wherever I applied my concealer, and just applying a little bit, nothing much. So this is the other variation. The one which we did before, you can just leave as it is. Just go for a matte dark blue eyeshadow. But if you want to just glam it a little bit more, as you see, I'm taking this NYX gold liner and applying it almost like little over half my lid, and this is not very chunky, and I'm just going to open my eyes, keep it open until this dries, and then it won't move. So now I'm going to apply this Milani baked eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, blush, and this has little glow to it, which I really like, and the color, I really love it. And by then my eyeliner, the glow gold eyeliner, is also dried up, so it won't move anywhere. So now I'm going to apply this LA Strobing Powder. It's called Strobing Powder, but it is a beautiful highlighter, and yeah, so don't apply this all over your face, but use it as a highlighter. It's a beautiful highlighter. So I'm applying the highlighter my usual places, so on high cheekbone, under my brow, on my nose, just tip of my nose, and on the cupid bow and under brow, and a little bit above the brow. So I'm just applying, and it's a beautiful highlighter, and I got this from Daiso, and I did a Daiso haul. If you have not watched it, I will put in the description box. So now I'm going to use the same navy blue color from Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette and applying it on my lower lash line. Just applying the main color on 3/4 of the lash line and then blending it towards the inner corner. And now just spraying all over my face using this Morphe makeup setting spray, and it's a really good spray. Now I'm going to use this false eyelashes from AOA Studio and applied it off the camera because it really takes time. Now I'm applying this lipstick by Laura Mercier, and I don't know the color because the color is really small and I can't read it. It's a pretty light wine color. And final makeup setting spray, just spraying it all over my face, and this look is done. And this is the final look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and follow me on all my social media links. The links are down below there. Yeah, so please do that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.